In a quiet riverside town, there was a little workshop that smelled of ink and glue. It belonged to Mina, a gentle young woman who made paper animals for children. Foxes, cats, dragons, you name it. A boy named Tomas visited the shop every day, but never bought anything. Mina noticed he would stare at a beautiful white paper bird in the window, then quietly walk away. She learned from a neighbor that Tomas's father was a fisherman, lost at sea months ago. Tomas hoped the paper bird could fly to find him, but he couldn't afford it. One snowy evening, Mina stayed up late, folding an even more special bird, one with golden threads in its wings. She whispered a wish into it: "Find your way to who needs you most." She left it on Tomas's doorstep, with a note that read, "For journeys the heart can see." The next morning, Tomas ran to the riverbank and set the paper bird onto the water. The current caught it, spinning it gently away. Weeks later, a letter arrived at Mina's shop. It was from Tomas. Tomas's father was alive, rescued by another fishing crew. He wrote that he had found a small, soggy paper bird caught in his net, and it had given him hope to find his way home. When Tomas hugged his father at the dock, Mina stood quietly in the crowd, smiling. Sometimes, the smallest gifts travel the farthest. Every kindness you send out finds its way back.